Alright guys, so today we are going to be installing a set of BC Racing coilovers and ISR rear arms on the Sklyine. Now, I have already installed a GK Tech Hickest Elite bar, but we didn't film any of that, so we'll show it to you guys. It's a pretty simple job. You know, just taking out the old steering rack, blocking off the lines, and then putting in the new bar. It's pretty straightforward, but we're going to get the car up in the air and get to work on this. I'm really excited to get these coilovers on, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so here are the parts. This is the rear upper control arm from ISR, and these are actually just eBay traction rods for the back as well. I've totally not been pointing at the box. But the heim joint in this is actually really proper, and that's what everyone says to watch out for in the eBay arms. Like, it's almost exactly the same as what's on the ISR, except I think this one may be copper and that one's probably stainless. Either way, they're both in good shape. They're both gonna work well. People say it's alright to cheap out on the traction rods, but those are the arms. Here's the exciting stuff. So these are the BC Racing BR coilovers that I got. They're the standard, they're BC's standard line. They've got 6K fronts and 8K rears, and right now we are going to get started on doing the rears. Alright, so Schwab and I got a fire going. Schwab is working on taking out the 2 bolts that are on top of the rear shocks, and we're starting in the back because we are already taking out the rear coilover, but we're also going to take out the upper control arm and the traction rod, because we're going to do these while we're already back here. Since these might take the most time, we're going to start back here instead of starting at the front. Having a good time?
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, there it goes.
Mint condition interior, never been fucked with. Extra crusty. It's like tortilla chips.
Where have you been, Schwab?
I've been around.
Yeah, you've been gone for like almost a year.
Yeah. You know, I'm just doing a whole lot of Schwab shit, you know. Instagram, you know, doing shoots, you know, check me out. Instagram, let's sweep. Give me all the follows and likes, because I need that to make my day feel good.
I haven't done a whole lot of work on rusty cars. This is the first one I've worked on, and I've spent probably 3 hours on it so far, and I've already developed a hatred for waiting for WD-40 and PB Blaster to break through rust to help us get bolts off, because I've spent probably about 45 minutes doing that. It's really irritating.
Alright, dude, we're live, dude. Oh, sweet. Yeah, you just fucked up.
So we got all the bolts out of the coilover. Now, Schwab, can you hand me the mallet under your arm? Hopefully with a couple of whacks, the coilover, or the old spring and shock will come out. Or just one whack. Sweet. Alright, here we go.
Bye bye, old crusty boy. Aw, fuck.
Sweet. Mint condition, teen lowering springs. $800 straight from Japan.
Mint.
Change of plans. Today we're just gonna put the coilovers in. I totally wasn't thinking about it, but as soon as we put these arms in, we're gonna have to do an alignment, and I'm totally not patient enough to do it. My dad is, and he'll do a really good job of it. So we'll do these arms later tonight when he comes home. Sounds like a plan. We're just gonna get the coilovers on now, and then play with them a little bit. See how low they go, see how they ride, and stuff like that.
You got no wing dangle room.
Spicy. Alright, now all we gotta do, put this dude back on.
And get all nutted up.
And get all nutted up.
New Johnny. New Johnny. Oh!
We've got the backs on now. We just left them how they were from the box. Taylor Ray recommended to do that, so that's what I'm doing. We're gonna see how it looks. Probably pretty high is my guess.
Nah, it's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
I think with that you could get away with rolling the fenders. Or nah.
And the same thing in the back. Or on the other side. There's no room.
There's tons of room.
So we just got the first front coilover installed. There it is back there. It's just one 19mm down here, and then two 14mm up top. We've got this one on its way out right now. Me and Schwab just got done with the front coilovers. We need to put the wheels back on, then we can drop it down, and then we're going to adjust the rears a little bit. We're gonna try to roll the fenders, try to get these wheels to fit, and yeah, it's going pretty well, pretty smooth to what I expected. Expected this to be like a 4 or 5 hour thing, and it's only been about an hour and a half. It's pretty cool. Alright, I'm about to drop it down, and we'll see whether or not it looks any different. That's funny. It's totally higher than it was before. Oh my god, these are so stiff. Oh, that's good. The only thing that's moving is the sidewall of the tire right now. I set the dampening as hard as it could go. I figured I'd work backwards since the whole point of this car is to be kind of like a low-style drift car. I set it as stiff as I could in the front. I haven't touched the rears, but the fronts and the rears will both start off really stiff, and then I'll make it go down from there. But it looks how it did. It looks the same as it did before we did any of this, but coilovers are done. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry if it was a little bit boring, a little shorter than most of my videos are, but this install didn't really leave enough time for the funny stuff to happen. Like, all the videos where me and Schwab are just like catch all these goofy little moments is just because we film a bunch of stuff, but with this it took an hour and a half and there wasn't a lot of, you know, filming involved with it. Like, there wasn't a lot of filming to be done. But I hope you guys enjoyed what we did get. I'm psyched on the car. Yeah, peace. Schwab, what the fuck are you doing? Dude! You caught the fucking popcorn on fire!
Really?
Yeah, dipshit!
I totally forgot about it.
Oh, you fucking idiot!
Dude, it's fine.
You caught our fucking microwave on fire.
Dude, I just got a whole lot of cancer to the face. I opened it, just cancer.
God damn it, Schwab.
I fucking forgot.
Okay, it's not
You can
burnt.
rub that
It's
off.
no, it's just it's juices.